got started in the screen printing business, or let's say you just had some brand new people starting, you can show them how to use this and you don't have to worry about it spending hours and hours and hours registering a screen. It's supposed to get you pretty doggone close right from the start. We've got a grid. If you'll see here, you've got a little bit of a corner. This is kind of where the screens drop into. And then we have the counterpart to this out on the 8-color press. And it also has this same little corner. So we get it all just right here on the screens, expose them, and we take it out there. We should just be able to butt it up into that corner and lock it down. That's kind of what happens when we put it in here. It butts up against that corner, and we're going to mimic it again out there. This has what's called carrier sheet. There's a big hole and a little hole on these, and that translates to right here. There's a big hole, it's on the right, little holes here. Put our artwork down right there. See, there's lines here. The broken line is the center mark. We want to line it on there, and then we're going to keep it on this line too, okay, at the top. We all put them in the same spot. We should all be pretty much the same out there. What we do is we're going to take this, and we're going to stick it to that, and this will tell us where we need to be on the line. This is about where we want it to be down, so we're going to do it on that line. The first line underneath that neck line right there is going to kind of get us where we need to be with our registration. Then the broken line is your center line. Closer we get this here, closer we're going to be out there. Easiest way to do this is to tape this artwork onto this carrier sheet on 3 corners to the artwork. We'll pull the carrier sheet off, and then we'll obviously have to separate the art from the carrier sheet. Set it down there and then slide it over and then lay it back, right? So push it down and make that tape stick to your screen. Take and rub it. It's not going to hurt anything to affix it there. Take and pull the carrier sheet off. Remember, it's on those 2 pins. Just release it from there. And you should be able to take the whole thing over here to the exposure unit. Bump it all the way down to the 2 pegs. Lay your rope over, bring it down gently just like yesterday. This part's just replicated from yesterday. Yes. And then a green button. Replicated. Who, you have one of those?
Purple.
Yes, this has more, yeah. You want to take a look at that?
Bring your head down. You should be able to stick this frame directly in this part of the jig and this part where the corners meet. Put it in, make sure it's butt up against all 3 pins, tighten it down. Raise it up.
Everything's good and tight, on to the next one.
And you should be in line. So you want to go butt all 3 points. You'll hold that screen tight and then go and screw it back down.